How to remove likes from a post I created on Facebook. So for example, I have in here this post on my profile. And if your post has a like or any interaction at all, like share, like for example, this one, what you can do in order to remove all the engagement on that particular post is to just head over and click on the three dots on the post right here. And then if you still want to retain it, but you don't want people to engage with it anymore, you can click on this edit privacy and then just put it under the only me option. So just go back and then this will save and then it will only be visible to you. Any likes, any comments that has been made will only be visible to you. Alternatively, if you want to delete it altogether, you can head over and click on the three dots, click on this move to trash option or move to archive option. Then click on this move and then this post will be deleted as well as your likes, comments, or any engagements made. So that's how you remove likes from a post I created on Facebook. Hope we helped.